Good morning everyone. My name is Duhana. I am studying in second grade A section. Today my topic is EVS pollutions. Air pollution can be controlled by planting trees, removing harmful gases from factories, burning the garbage in a treatment plants and outstick of the city. Land pollution can be controlled by avoiding avoiding disposal waste all over the roads and empty plots. Noise pollution can be controlled by avoiding unwanted local noise from vehicle, aeroplanes, industrial, in workplace loudspeakers. Water pollution can be controlled by avoiding activities such as throwing garbage, plastic in river, urinating on the roads and the empty plots. Thank you.